In this video, we're going to show you how to change your Oticon Open wax filters. First, you'll need to have a pack of the Pro Wax Mini Fit wax filters. And then, of course, you'll need your hearing device. First, you're going to remove the dome that's on the end of the receiver. And that little white filter, which is inside the receiver, is the part that we're going to replace. Once you open the packet, you'll pull out the shell and you'll remove one of the black tips. There is a tactile dot underneath the new filter, so that way you can keep straight which one you take out and which one you need to put in. You're going to snap the open tip into the existing filter, and then you can flip it around and make sure that you put the filter in that has the tactile dot above it. Once the filter has been replaced, you will put the dome back on the end of the receiver and just make sure it's nice and snug so it doesn't fall off or get stuck in your ear. And that's it.